Hi everybody, it's Jenny from the Missouri Star Quilt Company, and it's occurred to me that a lot of you probably have kids at home. This is a time you're not used to. Maybe you work, maybe your kids are in school, whatever, and all of a sudden everyone has descended upon you. And I wanted to talk a little bit about household chores. So I'm pretty experienced in this because I did homeschool 6 of my kids. We had 7 children. One was already in high school when we started, so he just went on. But we did have a lot of kids and a lot of kids at home. And let me tell you, today I want to talk about laundry, because laundry was something that so overwhelmed me until I got a system. And so these are just a few tips to help you get a system. One was that I assigned each child a laundry day. So on Tuesday, that child had to bring their laundry to me, and we would just do 1 or 2 loads, and then they could put it away. Now, what this does for our children is that it helps them to learn colors, to learn sorting, and really to learn self-sufficiency. They learn how to fold, they learn how to put away, and you don't get as many clothes back in the laundry basket that are still folded because they never put it away from the last time. Now, my children were about 11 or 12 when they started doing their own laundry on their own. The little children just had to bring it to me. They had to bring it to me. I would help them sort it. Lights and darks, colors, whatever. And they learned colors and lights and darks through doing this. And so I used it as a teaching tool as well. But the fact that only 1 child a day had laundry to do and I made them responsible for their laundry was super helpful in me overcoming that laundry chore. So good luck with the laundry in your house.